Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this piece of plank wood I got from Dollar Tree and these stars I got from Temu. I started by brushing on antique wax by Waverly onto the piece of plank wood and then blending it in with a baby wipe, and I covered that completely. I'm also using these 2.5-inch wood letters I got from Amazon. I paint one of them with barn red, another with white, and another with English navy, all acrylic paints. I also am painting with those same colors on these stars. I use 3 different sizes. I do paint the stars front and back, and then once those are dry, I brush on some of the antique wax onto those, as well as the letters. Next, I'm adding a hanger to the piece of plank wood. I hot glue some twine on the longer end, and then for extra stability, I take a craft stick and hot glue that across both of those. And then take the twine again, and I did not measure how long I cut the piece, but I used 3 of the same length. And then hot glue those 3 on the other side of the piece of plank wood on the other long end. And then again using a craft stick across the 3 of those. And I always like everything completely finished, so I added some of the antique wax to those craft sticks. Next, I place down the letters. Once I have them lined up how I want them, I hot glue them into place. And then take the stars, and I'm just setting them on top of that twine hanging down. I do 1 of each color and size on each piece of twine. And then to attach it, I'm using tacky glue. And I just brush a line across the back of it up to the point, and then place it down on the twine. And I do that to all of those. Once those are all in place, I flip it over and use my heat tool to dry that glue and make sure they're fully adhered. I then trim up the twine from the bottom star. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.